Welcome back to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this video I'll show you how to set up your vendor store, your logo, your banner, your brand colors, and everything customers see when they land on your shop. Let's go. Start at resogra.com. In the top right corner you'll see the account icon. Click it to sign in to your vendor panel. Enter the email and password you used when you registered as a vendor. Click Sign In. Welcome to your vendor dashboard. This is your control center. To customize how your store looks, click Content in the left sidebar. Under Content, click Branded Store. This is where you make your shop look professional: logo, banner, colors, and everything customers see on your shop page. Notice the language toggle at the top. Resogra is bilingual, so set up your store content in English first, then switch to French and translate everything. Both versions go live together. First, your logo. Click Choose File, pick your logo image from your computer, then click Upload Logo. A square image, around 400 by 400 pixels, works best. If you don't have a logo yet, Canva is a great free tool to design one. Right below the logo, add your tagline. One short line, max 150 characters. Think of it as your shop's promise to customers, for example, curated fashion for everyday joy. Pick your brand's primary and accent colors. The defaults are Resogra Orange and Navy, which work for any shop. If your brand has specific colors, paste the hex codes here. Scroll down to Hero Banner. This is the big image customers see across the top of your shop. Use something that shows your products or your brand vibe. A wide image, around 1500 pixels across, looks great. Right under the banner, add a headline and subheadline. The headline grabs attention. The subheadline tells customers what makes you different. Keep both short and warm. Scroll to About Your Store. This is your story. Tell customers who you are and what you sell. 2 or 3 warm sentences is plenty. This is what shows up on your shop page. When everything looks right, scroll up and click Publish. Your store is now live on Resogra. To preview how it looks to customers, click Storefront in the bottom left toolbar. Take a moment to admire your work. You've just set up your professional vendor storefront. And that's your vendor store, looking pro and ready to receive customers. In the next video, I'll show you how to upload your first product. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Resogra.